Health authorities and governments were optimistic with a downward trend in numbers, but now fear with recent protests the situation for COVID-19 cases could worsen. The U.S. has had approximately 1.8 million confirmed cases and 105,000 deaths and is seeing some 20,000 daily new COVID-19 cases. But those numbers could rise significantly within the coming weeks, all due to widespread mass gatherings after George Floyd's death. Many officials acknowledge the right to protest while simultaneously emphasizing the importance of doing so while taking precautions to prevent the spread of the virus. Health experts fear that the current disproportionate impact of the virus upon specific racial groups will be further exacerbated by these mass gatherings. Canada, where several protests in response to Floyd's death were held in Canadian cities such as Vancouver and Toronto, has had approximately 93,000 cases and about 7,400 deaths. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announced today that Canada isn't out of the woods yet. Premier John Horgan was questioned during a media briefing yesterday regarding protests in Vancouver, and he said he encourages people to have their voice heard, but the public needs to abide by Dr. Bonnie Henry's instructions to maintain physical distancing and wear a mask at all times. Dr. Bonnie Henry says that anyone who attends protests against racism and police violence needs to do their part to prevent a resurgence of COVID-19 and to monitor yourself for COVID-19 symptoms if you've attended a Vancouver protest. The update comes as provinces have reported a downturn in cases and are beginning to reopen their economies, including some schools, stores, and parks. The total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases around the world has surpassed 6 million. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe.